YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a day. Good day. Look at this awesome beefy truck in the background. So we're going to pick up some TRD stuff, 2 TRD parts. We're going to be driving like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours again. So we're going to first pick off some amazing floor mats. That's the first TRD part we're going to get. Then we're going to get some TRD wheels. Let's go get some TRD goods. So it's all going to be for the Tundra. I'm excited. We're driving a lot. It's windy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so we're in the big beefy Tundra. I love this thing. Look how good this looks. This is gonna be my my toy hauler. I got a toy hauler here. So we're gonna be getting some wheels today, and we're gonna be getting some new floor mats. So I'm really excited for that. Both of these are gonna be amazing and make the truck look amazing. But check this out. Look at this. Ooh, you guys want one of those? Swing by MITCHDORE.com. All this merch is available on MITCHDORE.com. Absolutely love this. Yeah, but we got a long drive. So we're gonna be driving, I think it's 3 hours. 3 hours for one way to get these TRD wheels. What we're gonna do is, this is gonna be a collection video. So we're gonna, like what I've done in the past, I'm gonna collect the wheels. Install is gonna be later. We're gonna be doing the install on the next video. I just did this recently with my Toyota CELICA GTS with the Subaru BRZ STI wheels, and then that engine blew up. I will be doing an update on that video on that car probably after this one. So the next video on YouTube will probably be the update of the CELICA, where it is and what happened, and where we are with that, and when we're gonna get that back on the channel. But in the meantime, I got like 15 mods I want to do to my Tundra. I'm loving this Tundra. It is so nice to have. Horrible gas mileage. You know, one of my favorite things is about this, I have a Tundra, but I always want to call it Tacoma, is that they're everywhere. It's like you got a fam everywhere. Now there's not like the coolest culture of anything where everyone's like, hey, what's up or anything, but they're everywhere. All right, we're almost to our first stop, but look at this. Dang, those sound good. Okay, first Starbucks stop. We met him at a Starbucks, got filled up with Starbucks. Check out this. This is what we got. So we're OEM Mitch is back. We're returning. First off, Clausio, amazing leather seats. Look at what I got. TRD Pro, or TRD Sport Tundra 2021 brand new floor mats used. These were $30. Amazing. They look so good. I got 2 fronts and the rears all back here. So that's the first stop that we're doing today, completed. He has an amazing green Tundra right there. Tundra community is so nice. He was so nice. He has a matching, the matching canopy in the back, and he has a bunch of TRD goodies all over there. So brand new. He used them for less than 100 miles and swapped them out for WeatherTechs. I wanted OEM look, so hey, we got some OEM looks. Let's close up the Crew Max, big old giant Crew Max. Head on to the next TRD part pickup. All right, so there's his Tundra. I love it. Brand new, 2021. He's had it for just a little bit. He has all the TRD goodies on there. So we picked up his brand new TRD Sport floor mats. I wanted those. $30, brand new. Never used them. He immediately got WeatherTechs in them. Thank you so much. I think his name is Anthony. You're really, really nice. I appreciate you so much. Tundra community, you guys are awesome. This is nice. Now we have 99 more miles. 99 more miles to pick up some more TRD parts. Let's go. So I do have like a 1/4 tank of gas in the Tundra, so I'm also gonna need it, and I'm also like 30 minutes late. So we gotta get going. Got the Starbucks. It's go time, baby. More TRDs. This Tundra is gonna look sick when it's done. It's gonna look amazing. I'm gonna be able to have a you know, I'm probably, if I want to use a trailer or something to tow, like if I blow up the MR2 or if I blow up a CELICA again, it'll be nice to have such a nice built toy hauler. I'm loving the Tundra life. My Clausio seats are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving that. What an awesome find. I'm so happy. 30 bucks, over the moon. All right, we're back on the highway, getting back up to speed. Check out this, listen to this V8. It's just punchy. Ready? Oh yeah, that is awesome. That is fast. Man, look how good that looks inside here. That looks bougie. That's nice. I'm not gonna put the floor mats in on this video. We'll do it with the wheel video. Reason why I need a vacuum. Again, constantly have to vacuum this thing. But they look amazing. They look so good. So this is gonna be the rear ones. I do want to vacuum one more time. So we got a nice thing underneath it. And then here are the TRD. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be the driver's side. It is brand new. So one of the things that we're gonna have to fix is, and we'll do it probably on the next video, is this clip is different than the clip on there. I might have to just drill those out to make the hook clips fit. It won't be a big deal, but this should look OEM fitment. It's the same setup for these TRD ones. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I really like this setup. I'm just stoked about it. And then this one should fit perfectly, and it has the middle part. So this one has the middle part right here. So it's one big giant piece. It'll add a little bit of sound dampening. Gosh, that looks amazing. I love those. I love those. And that, especially since it says TRD Sport. I do want a TRD. I think I'm gonna get a badge in the back right there. The truck looks amazing. I love this truck. Looks good. The new wheels are gonna look amazing. Let's go get them. We're filling up. This is the one thing that's not amazing right here. This sucks. Oh my gosh. Honey, no! These poles in the Tundra are more expensive than the poles in the Evo. Alright, that was expensive, Philip. 80 something dollars, almost $90. Let's go ahead and give it one more little love. Oh, it's spinning a little bit right there. Woo! Yeesh! That was spinning up there. That was fun. That was awesome. I had the 2-wheel drive, not the 4-wheel drive. The 4-wheel drive is actually feels really good. It hooks up really well. So, all right, we're on our way to go get those wheels. All right, YouTube, we just have driven a lot. We're on our way there. We've made it. We're coming up to this stop. We're gonna show up at this place called Wilco. I've never been to a Wilco, and we're gonna get our new wheels. All right, perfect. Wilco, whatever that is. And then there's another Toyota. We're in Toyota land. This is our friend. So they have my Tundra wheels. Let's get the new Tundra wheels. All right, guys, we're saying bye to another TRD buddy, off-road racing. Thank you so much, Luke. Check out these. So these are 2021 TRD sport wheels, and it's the same thing that I just got. Now, if you look in here, I actually don't have the TRD center cap, which I'm gonna be buying a TRD center cap for the year, a wheel cap here. And then I think I'm gonna end up painting these, but these are off of there you go, thanks buddy, thanks Luke. These are off a 2021 Toyota Tundra, a 2021, brand new. They had look at these tires. Oh my gosh, I got a killer deal on them too. So thank you so much, Luke, I appreciate them. He went with some ones that stuck out a little bit. So that being said, I think I'm gonna get some spacers. I think I'm gonna get the TRD, and then I think I might paint this myself black. I think I might do that black to have a better look, because this is black right here, but oh my gosh, they look awesome. What a screaming deal. So we're gonna go from this ugly stock old school to those. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be huge difference. I can't wait. I cannot wait to put these on. Really good deal. They come with Michelin's. So I'm just over the moon. I got a great deal on this, got a great deal on the leather. They're 275, 65, and they are 18 inches. I actually just did look at some of the ones that were 20 inches, but I really didn't want 20 inches that were stock factory because they didn't look aesthetic. I mean, I get that they're a bigger wheel, but they didn't look aesthetic. They look like literally like exactly like that. It was like that, but 20 inches. So these will come off, and I'll probably put those up for sale if anyone wants those, and then we'll go with the stock, and I might push them out a little bit with some spacers. But man, what a great day! Woo! This is great fun. I'm stoked, over the moon. So yeah, we're gonna head back. And I'll probably end up leaving these in the bed. So let's just head back, and man, I did really good with these. The next video, what we'll do is, since I'm just picking these up, and I guess this is a new wheel reveal, I'll do the install on the next video. We'll do the floor mats. I'll show you guys how to do those, because I need to make a video showing like putting the 2021 parts on a 2007 Tundra, because there's like no videos of the forum saying that any of this stuff fits. All this stuff fits. It's literally the same bolt pattern. It's the same truck. So there, you don't need to have the Gen 2.5 to have all this stuff fit. So I want to make that, you know, really clear on there, because these floor mats, like I said, beautiful floor mats will fit amazingly. I'm so stoked with that. Again, Luke, thanks you, and Anthony, thank you both. It'll look really good in here. Look at the Clausio seats. They look amazing. Man, this has been a productive video. Let's just throw this guy down here. I'm gonna use 2 hands real quick. All right, wheels and tires secured. Going with some Michelin's, cannot wait. TRD floor mats, TRD parts, 2 of them. I can't wait to get the TRD center caps that'll go in the middle of this. I think I'm gonna end up painting the whole wheels all black. I think I really am. I need to order the TRD center caps and then the black lug nuts for the next video. We'll do an install of this. I can't wait to do that. But I gotta order some more parts before I do the rest of these installs. One of the things that I need to get is these little floor mat hooks. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Let's get back in the Tundra. Let's go for some more driving. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm over the moon. This, I guess, these Tundra parts, you can get it for, like, this is like super hard stuff to find. For me, usually with other carts, this is all over. It's easy to get because they made so many Tundras. So this is, I'm happy. Let's go, let's hit the car, let's get going. It is actually the next day. Man, I love this truck. I love looking at this thing. It looks so awesome, it's so beefy, it's huge. I love it. So I'm really, really excited to put the new wheels on. I probably won't do it this video. So what we're gonna do is head back, we'll make it back. Then the next video, what we'll do is we'll be installing these, which they look amazing. Look how brand new those. There's so much tread left on those. That is awesome. And they're Michelin, so I'm super excited about that. Next video will probably end up installing those. I need TRD center caps. Currently I have these stock ones that don't fit on the new wheels. But in addition to that, on mine, I also have the new wheels. They have black Toyota ones. So I'll be excited. I did order them, the TRD ones for the TRD. I'm trying to make all this stuff look like kind of no more chrome on the truck, and then black, all black. I want it all blacked out, and then red TRD stuff. Kind of like how MITCHDORE.COMHOW is, how it has red, it's all black and then red, or black and red cars. I like that. That's kind of like my theme colors. So I think it'll look really, really good. I'm excited to do the new grill because every time I come out of the truck is huge. I don't know if it's massive. But I just cannot wait. I got a Rock Warrior grill, and all this right here is gonna be all matching. It'll be all black, it'll match the color of the truck, and then it has a different, now I will have to paint the OEM emblem, which I'll do that, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And then I got I'm gonna do the Alpha Rex headlights. I can't wait for those too. That'll be in another video. I think I'm gonna leave the deleted fog lights though. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. But all right, let's head back. I just love this truck. I love this truck. It looks so good. It's so dope. That looks so sporty. And I definitely need to get rid of the runners. So we'll get rid of those and it'll look really, really sporty. All right guys, how great is this? There's a Rock Warrior right there. That's the one, so that's the front grill I'm getting right there. This is the, hold on one second here as I blow up my window. This is the Trip of R8s. I love that car right there. That thing is dope. I want one in red. It always reminds me of Jack Ultramotive. I think it's dope. Looks good. Looks good. All right, we're almost home. All right, we've made it back home. Check these out. Look at those Toyota goodness. Awesome. So good. They're kind of dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna mount them for a little bit, then get black lug nuts, then get the TRD center caps, which I already ordered. They're on their way. So these will be for sale if anyone wants the OEM ones. So let's clean these up. I'll do black lug nuts, and then I'm gonna paint this black. So I think I'll scuff that up and paint it. I think the wheels are in really good condition overall. Before we end the video though, let's wash these down and get one last look, and we'll do the intro. Okay, so there's the before. No cleaning. The after. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at that. So it's gonna be a lot of work to de-chrome the entire truck. And go black and red instead of black and chrome or black and silver. It's gonna be a lot of work to do that, but I will get it done, just not on this video. So we're gonna wrap up the video right here. Yeah, what a fun adventure. I really enjoyed this stuff. I hope you guys did too. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll be back. We'll probably do a CELICA video update. Then we'll do some MR2 stuff, and then we'll do these wheels installed. I want the TRD center caps, and I want the black lug nuts before I install them. But I might just throw them on right now because I want to see how they look. Tires are amazing. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, guys. I'll see you on the next video.